Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change a screen brightness in Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on this one Settings option. In the left sidebar, select System, and on the right, click on Display. Here you will see a brightness slider. Using this one, you can increase or decrease the brightness of your Windows 11 PC. In case you want to quickly increase or decrease brightness, you can click on this one network or audio or battery icon. Here you will see a brightness slider. You can use this one to increase or decrease brightness on your Windows 11 PC according to your convenience.